finally take Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. This is the best phone for making video and something you want to do, playing games or other words. This color I like it and I take it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I buy a new phone, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, 256 GB, and now I will unbox this and show you guys my new phone. So stay with me and watch my video. And now I am unboxing. Guys, I'm so excited. Before I buy iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I lost that phone. Wow, mashallah, tabarakallah, beautiful looks. And this is the Samsung King S22 Ultra, and here is the microphone port and for camera, sensor, flashlight. Guys, type C charger, SIM port, microphone port, and here is the pen. This is the best for Samsung Galaxy is pen. And guys, side here is the power button, volume key, and this side have no buttons. So let's play. Just power on. And first you can see the Samsung Galaxy logo. And guys, now I have all the phone is Samsung. I have A71, S7 Edge, and also I have a 51, all the Samsung before I use the iPhone. So first select language, next I agree all, escape for now, connecting the Wi-Fi. So I do not want to copy any files. If you want to copy, just you can transfer your old phone to new phone, so like that. So I will do not copy because I want to make new this phone, and I can use the pattern lock, so look like my old pattern. This is my old phone pattern lock. I show you guys, so if you take my phone you can open it. So here is the email, later I will add the email, and all is set. And here is our King phone, is open. Wow. And let's show you the camera. This ultra angle camera, you can see. Wow, very nice. And here is the normal camera. I just make the little bit brightness is very low. I make the full brightness. I don't know you can see or not. Here is the zoom is 10x zoom. You can see the keyboard is clearly. And here is our camera. So here is the full screen. This is the ultra angle wide camera. So see guys, is low light. I do not use the light, so now I will use the light, and you can see the clear, crystal clear. I think the Samsung camera is better. Let's just see what have inside. This is the serial number, inside the cartoon, and you can find a SIM tray open tools and some documents inside. And you just got the cable, but without adapter, just a type C cable. So, and some manual inside. That's it. No other things inside the cartoon, only the data cable, only the charging cable, but no adapter. So before also iPhone I get data cable but no charger adapter. Also this phone same, but need this phone adapter is original one. I have adapter for Samsung S21. So this is low watt, so I need 30 watt adapter for using this one. So guys, I'm so excited today because I take a new phone for making video. So thank you guys. I hope this phone is perfect for me. This best for the camera, I take for the camera. You can see low light camera, mashallah, tabarakallah. Here's the video. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. Thank you. So guys, I finally take Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. This is the best phone for making video and something you want to do, playing games or other words. This color I like it and I take it. And guys, I have also 3 phone. This all is Samsung phone. This is Samsung S22 A51. This S7 Edge. You know, this all is working, running all phone. And I making video this S71. Also I take the Samsung. I have all the Samsung phone because before I have iPhone 12 Pro Max and I lost that, so that's why I take Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So thank you guys. If you want to buy this one. So thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Guys, this is my new phone S22 Ultra and my first blog and first video with this phone. And you can see here I'm so happy today and so excited for this phone. So I lost my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I using my old phone A71, Samsung Galaxy and S7 Edge and A51 3 phone. But now I take a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I'm so happy guys. Thank you so much. I hope you watch my video full. Thank you. Have a nice day.